Best booster seats reviewed. As a parent, I know how overwhelming it can be to choose the right booster seat for your child. I bought and tested these top-rated options so you don't have to waste your money. Let me share my honest experiences and insights with you. Product number 1. Graco Turbo Booster 2.0 Backless Booster Car Seat, Denton. When I first got the Graco Turbo Booster 2.0 Backless Booster, my initial impression was its sleek design and vibrant color. I had my child sit in it and I was relieved to see how comfortable they looked. As a parent, safety is my priority, and this seat is Graco Protect Plus engineered, meaning it has gone through rigorous crash tests for frontal, rear, and rollover accidents. This gave me a sense of security, knowing my child was well protected. The seat features height-adjustable armrests, which is a big plus as my child is still growing. With every car ride, I noticed how easy it was for them to find a comfortable position. Plus, the modern design included hideaway cup holders, which kept their drinks within reach without cluttering the car. I loved that the booster is designed for children aged 4 to 10, weighing between 40 and 100 pounds and up to 57 inches tall, making it a long-lasting investment. Product number 2. Graco Turbo Booster 2.0 High-Back Booster Car Seat, Declan. I was excited to test the Graco Turbo Booster 2.0 High-Back Booster because I had heard so many positive reviews. When I unboxed it, the first thing I noticed was its sturdy build and thoughtful design. The high back feature offers additional support, particularly beneficial for kids who tend to fall asleep during long trips. This was a huge relief during our recent family road trip. This booster seat is a 2-in-1 convertible option, which means it can transition from high back to backless as my child grows. This adaptability ensures that I'm not just purchasing a one-time use seat, but rather something that will evolve with my child. The height-adjustable armrests and head support are great features, providing comfort and security. I appreciated the open-loop belt guides that help position the seatbelt correctly, ensuring maximum safety. Product number 3. Graco Transitions 3-in-1 Harness Booster Car Seat, Proof. The Graco Transitions 3-in-1 Harness Booster Car Seat caught my eye with its versatility. This seat truly grows with your child. At first glance, it seemed robust and well-built, which was reassuring. We installed it using the latch system, and I appreciated how easy it was to set up. As a busy parent, the last thing I want is a complicated installation process. What sets this seat apart is that it transitions from a forward-facing harness to a high-back booster and finally to a backless booster. This feature is perfect for parents like me who want a long-term solution for our child's car safety. The harness system is a no-rethread design, allowing me to adjust the headrest and harness together with just one motion, which is a game-changer for busy mornings. Product number 4. Graco Turbo Booster 2.0 Backless Booster Car Seat, Tricia. The Graco Turbo Booster 2.0 Backless Booster in the Tricia design is another fantastic option. I was impressed with its vibrant color and modern design. From the moment my child sat in it, I could tell they felt comfortable. The height-adjustable armrests were a hit, allowing them to find the perfect position. As a parent, I always look for features that make my life easier, and this seat did not disappoint. With its Graco Protect Plus engineered safety features, I felt confident in its ability to protect my child during our drives. The seat is designed for children aged 4 to 10, weighing between 40 and 100 pounds, making it a great fit for my growing kid. The hideaway cup holders were genius. It kept the car neat and tidy while making sure my child had their drink at hand. Product number 5. Costco Topside Backless Booster Car Seat, Leo. The Costco Topside Backless Booster Car Seat in Leo is a lightweight and compact option that I found incredibly easy to handle. It's perfect for families needing a portable booster seat. I loved how easy it was to move between our vehicles. The design is straightforward, making it a no-fuss choice for busy parents. This booster seat provides a lift for kids weighing between 40 and 100 pounds and measuring 43.4 to 57 inches tall. It ensures the seatbelt fits properly, which is a critical factor in any booster seat. The extra plush padding made for a comfortable ride, and my child appreciated the soft fabric cover, which is hand wash only, but manageable for quick cleanups. After testing these top 5 booster seats, I hope you now feel more informed about your options. Each of these choices offers unique features, so think about what matters most for your child's safety and comfort. Remember, investing in a quality booster seat is investing in your child's safety.